Pixel 10 lineup has been making some serious waves this year. The Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the massive Pixel 10 XL, all getting glowing reviews. But there's one device in the family that is getting everyone talking: the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Google's most ambitious and expensive Pixel yet. First off, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is thinner, lighter, and more punch than Google's last foldable attempt. Super it feels super smooth. The frame feels premium, and the whole thing just screams quality. You get a 64-inch outer display, and when on fold, it's a shining 8 inches inter screen. That's bright, sharp, and smooth. And the best part, because Android 16 is incredibly well optimized for this big display, multitasking, split screen apps, note taking, even watching video, all feels natural. It rocks the Tensor G5 chip, 1 gig of RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, basically matching the Pixel 10 Pro XL in raw power. It feels through daily tasks, games, editing, and AI features like multiple things fast, responsive, and honestly, this one the best Android experience. But here is where things start to get complicated. The camera system. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold has a triple lens setup, 8 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto with 5x zoom, 10.5 megapixel ultra wide camera. Sound good on paper, right? Well, what is the catch? It used the same sensor as the base Pixel 10. This is fine for an $800 phone, but not for one that costs $1,799. Here's my takeaway. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is an incredible piece of tech. Sleek, powerful, surprisingly well optimized for a foldable device. If you value the best photograph experience, the regular Pixel 10 Pro is still the one you need to get so far. If you are all about productivity, multitasking, and that fantastic foldable feeling, the fold might just win you over. What do you think? Will you trade a top tier camera for a foldable screen? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification for more tech content like this. My name is Nicholas, and I will see you in the next one.